X or a Twitter application lets you mute specific words, phrases, or hashtags so that you don't see them in your notifications, timeline, or replies. This helps you avoid unwanted content, spoilers, and have a better experience. Here's how you can mute words on X application. So go ahead and open the application first, log into your account, then tap on the profile in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and go to Settings and Support and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from this page, go ahead and access the muted words. In the Privacy and Safety tab that is between monetization and notifications, you will see the option of mute and block, which is between content you see and direct messages. Go ahead and tap on that. And from here, go ahead and tap on muted words and finally add the muted words so that you won't get any new notification for the post that include them or see post with those words in your home timeline. Choose how long you want to mute the word, like forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days, and save your mute. Tweets with the muted word will now be hidden from where you selected. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.